Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we're going to understand about the equivalent circuit of BJT. That means how you can draw the internal circuitry of BJT, how you can understand the equivalent circuit of BJT. If you look at the NPN transistor Q1, it has three terminals: collector, base and emitter. And if you look at the current direction, so the collector current direction is inwards, and the base current direction is inward, and the emitter current direction is outward. Okay, so the emitter current IE equals to IB plus IC. And if you want to know the relation between collector current and the base current in the linear mode, so the collector current is given by beta times of IB, or you can say HFE times of IB. So this is the basics of NPN transistor. Now let us draw and understand the equivalent circuit of this NPN transistor. So this is the equivalent circuit of NPN transistor, you see. So this box is controlled current source. That means it is current controlled current source. This IC current is being controlled by the base current. And if you talk about the linear mode, IC equals to beta times of IB or HFE times of IB. So this is basically, IC is basically a controlled current source, or you can say current controlled current source. And so this is your collector, I would say collector terminal. So let me name this as a collector, and this is your base terminal, and you can see one resistance connected internally. Okay, so this R1 is called base spreading resistance. Okay, this R1 is called base spreading resistance, and now at emitter it acts like a simple diode. Okay, so this terminal is called emitter and it acts like a simple diode. So if you talk about collector, base and emitter, in collector you have one controlled current source, in base you have one base spreading resistance, and emitter is made of the diode. Okay, so hope guys you have understood the equivalent circuit of NPN transistor, how it looks like internally. If you have any further question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.